Welcome. I have uploaded a preview PPT showing a full corporate company presentation layout. In this short preview, you will see slides and animations for CEO welcome message about us, who we are, our mission, values, and why choose us, features, services, and IT consulting explanation, our 5-step process, and team slides, portfolio, sales, result charts, and a thank you slide. If I upload the full tutorial, you will learn how to design each slide professionally and consistently, how to add smooth animations and morph transitions to tell a story, how to create animated timelines, sales charts, team cards, and portfolio slides. Now I want to know if you want the complete step-by-step PowerPoint tutorial. If you do, please comment yes or full tutorial below. I will make complete tutorial if this PPT is worth for viewers. Share this preview with anyone building a company presentation.